I just got this in the mail. This is the plasma cutter I'm going to use for the CNC build that I'm doing. I ended up getting a new one. I didn't want to have to swap out the old one, so figured I'd show you guys a little bit of a kind of an unboxing thing. So stay tuned. Not too bad. Packaged up pretty good. Prime weld. This is the 60, I think, 60 amp. Alright, let's see here. Okay. You need both hands. Alright, so this is the Cut 50 DP prime weld that I bought for the CNC plasma table. I'm going to just give it a shot real quick, make sure it works. This isn't going to be the location for it, but again, I just wanted to give it a test and take you guys along for the ride. It's a nice torch that comes with it. I like it. One thing that seems a little chintzy is the ground. Seems kind of small, but I know it's a plasma cutter, so it doesn't. It's not a 300 amp TIG, so it doesn't need the same type of ground setup. So hang tight, and I'll get this set up. Alrighty, here we go. Cut's nice. That's 3/16 plate. Obviously you see I didn't cut through here, but I just wanted to make sure this baby worked. Looks good. Cut nice. I'm going to play around with it some more. Alright guys, just wanted to show you what was going on. Talk to you later.